Because I seriously, bullcrap. They're making the hackers. Season 3, you know that's like one of the worst seasons in a different game, right? Like, we're sitting here doing nothing.
He's having a Fortnite moment.
Alright.
A Fortnite crisis. Isn't he cute?
Got stupid ass commercial. Alright. Bro, like I'm bringing these hackers, bro. Like they just can't get their own money. Alright.
That was the worst call.
You know that means you about to get crazy. Hey, you ain't like it. Don't even say you're like it. I got like 30 right now. There's no way. You're right. Yeah, you didn't say you're doing good. You just said you're doing good. Right now.
Yes, that was my time. Yes, he coughed at me. But it's okay, I love him anyway. Even though he coughed at me.